the police officer appearing to bear encyclopedic knowledge of the law, which is not the case for some corrupt policemen. By wielding authority, they either badger innocent civilians. However, how would they react upon encountering civilians conversing with the law?
God, touch me! Oh my God! Stop! Stop grabbing me! I'll get up on my own. You're hurting me!
Now!
Oh my God! Stop it!
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what? I meant?
Yes. I am.
Really?
Put
Let's
your
go
hands
in.
behind your back.
Come on. You guys want to play games? I don't want to talk to you. Get the hell away from me.
Here we have a man standing on a public sidewalk. The police who was deterring the man lodging a peaceful protest ends up learning a lesson from him a while later.
What's your name and badge number?
Are you videotaping license plates?
I'm going to tell you right now, okay? If you come out here and you even tell me I can't record something from a public easement, I'm going to hold you liable under Chapter 21, Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983 and 1985 for conspiracy. You're dismissed.
Oh, I'm dismissed.
You're dismissed.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I just asked you a question.
No, no more questions. I don't answer questions.
All I'm asking.
I want an attorney present.
Okay.
I want an attorney present for any questions that you have.
All I'm asking is just don't cause a disturbance to the people, okay?
I don't care what you're asking. You're dismissed.
I'm gonna go talk to you.
Have a good day.
Title 42 of the United States Code is the United States Code dealing with public health, social welfare and civil rights. Through this the man exercised his authority. The policeman who seemed baffled at the man's adamancy, briefly leaves the scene and returns again after seeking opinion from this colleague.
I do need you to provide me information.
I'm not going to give you ID.
You actually have to.
What crime do you suspect me of?
There is no crime.
Okay, so in Florida, if there is no crime, then I do not have to identify myself. Go fuck yourself. I'm not going to ID. I totally 100,000% refuse. I have not committed a crime. You cannot articulate a crime.
The more the cops get involved in the dialogue, they realize this would be their loss. The man in the know corners the police, continuing to present legal ground.
You're coming at me. You have 3 deep right now, which is an intimidation against my rights. It is an intimidation against my rights. 42 USC section 1983 for violation of 1st and 14th, Article 5 under the 14th Amendment, civil rights. You guys want to play games? I'm telling you right now, I can pro say this. Well, I'm not going to give you ID.
Okay, you're to listen to me now.
No, I'm not going to listen to you right now. I don't give a rat's ass what you have to say.
Okay.
So you can say whatever you want, but you're on.
You're fine to be here and do what you're doing.
I know I'm fine to be here and do what I'm doing, and I'm not going to ID to you, and I don't really care what you have to say. I'm going to talk over you because what you have to say is really unimportant to me. So just piss off and get lost.
The clumsy action of the cop asking for the ID card straight out soon made the man go ballistics. Eventually the man shouted at the policeman once more.
I don't really care what you have to say. Get lost.
Show me
I don't care what you have to say. Get lost.
The policemen who were about to interrogate the guiltless man leaves at last, realizing he had made a misjudgment. Nevertheless, the woman who was wrapping up the scene of the car accident gets resentfully nabbed by the police who suddenly loomed up.
Go sit in your car.
I will talk to him in a minute. Get in your car now!
On February 9, 2023, the woman who was passing by the National Road number 1 of South Kingstown witnesses the actual scene of the fender bender. After pulling up her car and walking up to the driver, she spots an unusually young-looking disoriented high school boy and talks over the phone with his father on behalf of the kid. However, shortly after the table is turned by the policeman arriving at the actual scene.
Yeah, the key's stuck. Okay. It's broken.
Are you gonna? Well, so you think he's gonna be taken with the scene, or will he just?
Are you?
I'm not. No. I'm on the phone with his father.
Dad, it's my dad. But
How many cars are involved right now?
Not mine. That's mine.
All right, we need to get that off the road. All right, can we get that into the parking lot?
But
We'll take care of him, man.
Paramedics coming to second.
I'm just trying to tell his father. So
Okay, well, we're in the middle of the highway, right? So,
All right, can you move your car, please? Thank you.
The lady talking on the phone with his father on behalf of the high schooler in a state of panic is asked by the police to relocate the vehicle. However, upon picking up the voice of the father worried over where his son would be transferred to, keeps on attempting to have a talk with the police.
My man, is your car drivable?
yes.
All right, we're going to get it off to the side of the road, all right?
All I'm saying is I can leave. I just want to tell his father.
You don't have to leave. Just
No, I
move your
want
car.
to leave. I just want you to tell me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
All right,
okay.
let's have a seat right over here, man. Is that your mom?
No.
No?
The women who refused to leave despite the fair demand by the police started to get on the nerves of the police. The cop who confirms the nature of the relation between the driver and the woman starts to take an action.
I'm working. Can you please go sit in your car? You have nothing to do with
His
this scene.
father,
I
he's
understand.
a minor. I'm an attorney because he's a minor. You need to tell me, is he going to be here?
I don't need to
or
tell
is-
you anything. I'm going to arrest you in a second if you don't get in your car. Do
Oh,
you
you're
understand me?
kidding me.
I'm not kidding
You
you.
are kidding
You are
me.
impeding an investigation right now, and you're really bothering me.
What should I
Go
tell
sit
his
in your
father?
car.
What
I will
should I
talk to
tell
him
his
in a minute.
father?
Get in your car now!
A shouting match is staged between the cop angry at not complying with his demand and the woman furious at misinterpreting her goodwill. However, at this point the police reckoned that the woman had not followed his order, which led to a rigorous measure.
Tell him, take it. No, you do not touch me. Oh my God, stop!
What are you doing?
Oh my God,
What are
stop
you doing?
it! Are you kidding me?
Knock it off.
You will be.
Knock it off.
No, get your hands off me
Knock
right
it
now.
off.
Get your hands.
All right.
Oh my God! Are you
Stop.
fucking kidding?
Stop.
No, I'm not stopping. Are you fucking kidding me, right? You guys are so trying. You recorded this.
It's recording.
Record it.
I'm wearing a body cam.
Record it. I understand, but why am I under arrest?
Because you weren't listening to anything we were saying.
Oh my God! You're not listening to your father. Oh my God! Look, okay, I will come down. Can you please?
Take a breather.
Actually, the woman no longer needed to be involved in the case, but yet she just wanted to help out her father, wringing his wrist over his son who was a minor. The police reasoned her tenacious request as obstructing investigation.
That was our point the whole time.
I cannot believe this.
That was our point the
You
whole
were
time. You are not
screaming at me.
involved.
Oh
You
my
are not
God.
involved.
I'm a good Samaritan who stopped to help a kid, and this
Let's
is
go.
what happened. Okay, stop grabbing me. I'll get up on my own. You're hurting me.
now.
Oh my God, stop it. Ow! Ow! I want my phone. It's over there. Stop pushing me, please. I will walk. Are you kidding me? You guys don't know how much trouble you're in. I'm going to see you both for assault.
Afterwards, the woman stuck in the vehicle was escorted to the police station after 20 minutes or so. However, in the process the woman heard from the police that the body cam recording was discontinued, and claimed this was intended to threaten her. After all, after the outbreak of the incident, the woman filed a suit with his hubby on grounds of physical injury, emotional distress and loss of physical functions, etc. Nonetheless, she was not the only person who was unfairly arrested by the police.
I'm being detained for just taking pictures of the building.
Yes, ma'am.
The woman who was unjustly collared by the police finally makes them eat dirt. On March 28, 2018, the woman who was filming the building outside the Cook County Court of Justice this day never dreamed she'd be under arrest.
Hey, ma'am, you know this is a public building?
Exactly, that's why I'm recording
It's
it.
also a court facility,
Yep.
which there is a judicial law or judicial order that says that you cannot tape this building.
Can I see that order?
Yes, come on in. We're going to check your IDs too.
The police who popped up demands her to accompany them into the building, acting as if the woman had contravened the law. However, with the woman's continued resistance, they finally resort to violence, and this action goes down in history as the darkest blemish on the career of the police down the line.
Oh, no, I'm not going in.
Oh yeah, no. We're going to run you too.
No, that's
We're
all
going to
right.
get your name. We're going to do a report and everything. So come on in.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what?
Because right now you are doing something suspicious.
That's not a reason to detain anybody. I'm being detained for just taking pictures of the building.
Yes, ma'am. You're doing something suspicious, and we need to know who you are and why you're doing it. Okay?
Are you familiar with the First Amendment?
Yes.
In the end, the woman whose camera was forcefully deprived of the camera stepped into the office inside the building under the pressure from the police. Although this was apparently a wrong action taken by the police, they were impervious to it. Also, when she checked the camera, the recorded videos were deleted without permission. Then the police acts as if he were the judge himself.
Did you delete my footage?
Do you want to cooperate or not? What the fuck is going on today?
I don't know.
Every crazy loon in the building is coming. Okay, this is your choice. You can either give us an ID so that we could do a report on this and find out who you are, or we're going to take you in front of the presiding judge. He's going to hold you in contempt, which means that he can hold you for as long as he wants. I think right now he's doing 90 days.
Okay.
So, is that okay with you?
Remain silent.
Okay, but you realize you're going to go to Cook County Jail for 90 days. Now, you have an option. All you have to do is show us an ID so that we can do a report, and we'll let you go on your way.
Unlike the allegations made by the police, she was acquitted as none of her criminal charges were proven, and the woman who had suffered sudden humiliation by the police thereafter hires immediately a lawyer to institute a suit. Now it's the turn of the police officers to be tried in court.
What crime did you suspect her of committing?
We suspected her of violating the judicial order, videotaping in and around the building.
What lawful basis was there for you to demand her ID? Identification.
You're right. We were looking for identification, find out why she was there and what she was doing.
Did you hear the question I just asked you?
That was my answer.
What question did you just answer?
What justified asking for her ID?
The policeman who proudly stated the woman would be put behind bars finally realizes his mistake. They even seem to have lost self-confidence, as if they were unable to accurately recognize the legal authority of the police.
What lawful basis was there for you to ask for her ID?
I don't know.
What lawful basis was there for you to put her in handcuffs in response to her not giving you her ID?
I don't know.
In order to detain somebody, what do you have to have legally? Do you know?
I do not know the law legally.
Okay. Did you have any reasonable suspicion that she was committing a crime? Did you have the right to put her in handcuffs?
For the security of the officers, yes.
Even though the police was devoid of solid grounds, he had committed a breach of the rights stipulated in the First Amendment. What's more, they didn't even know about the basic laws they were supposed to be fully acquainted with. Consequently, the litigation filed against Cook County ended up in the woman's victory, and she was compensated $15,000 by Cook County. If you enjoyed this video, watch this one and don't forget to give us a like. Thank you.